Shelby.
And we live in Norfolk.
In the middle of nowhere.
But we're not inbred.
No.
Anyway, we watched too many videos on YouTube.
And we come up with a bright idea.
Ding! We thought we'd make our own vlog.
And this was inspired by
Dad is not on fire.
an amazing film.
Because we love you. Anyway, today
Is
very
windy.
outside. And we thought you might like to take a look.
We're outside. And it's a bit windy. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, did you feel rain? It's raining! Oh my goodness.
Okay, so we're now seeking refuge in the shed. Rain is coming through the door. It's crazy. I actually think it's alive.
We're in from the rain.
I'm a bit wet. I think I need a towel.
You need a towel. We both need a towel.
Oh, a towel. Where's this come from? Show myself off now. Anyway, thumbs up if you like.
Or subscribe.
And if you don't.
Finally, the rain has passed.
And now we can take Hedwig for a walk.
I will not go, turn the lights off, carry me